Did you have breakfast?
I had toast and coffee.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a software engineer.
How was your commute to work?
The traffic was light today, so it was quick.
What's for lunch?
I brought a salad for lunch.
Any plans for the evening?
I'm going to a yoga class later.
Have you seen the latest movie?
Not yet, but I heard it's really good.
How's the weather outside?
It's sunny with a slight breeze.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy reading and painting in my free time.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I'm a coffee person.
How do you stay fit?
I go for a run and do yoga regularly.
Have you traveled recently?
Yes, I went to Paris last month.
What book are you currently reading?
I'm reading The Great Gatsby right now.
Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Luna.
How do you unwind after a long day?
I like to watch TV or listen to music.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to classical music.
Any upcoming vacation plans?
I'm planning a trip to the mountains next month.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out?
I usually cook at home.
How do you handle stress?
I practice mindfulness and deep breathing.
What's your favorite season?
I love the autumn season.
Have you ever been to a live concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts.
What's your dream destination?
I would love to visit Japan.
How do you keep your workspace organized?
I make a to-do list and prioritize tasks.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing to spend time in the garden.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food.
How do you stay motivated at work?
I set achievable goals and celebrate small victories.
What's the last thing you learned?
I recently learned a new programming language.
Do you have a favorite workout routine?
I enjoy doing HIIT workouts.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Macaroni and cheese is my comfort food.
How do you like to spend your weekends?
I like exploring new cafes and parks.
Have you ever attended a sports event?
Yes, I've been to a few baseball games.
How do you stay connected with friends and family?
I use video calls and social media. In the end,
Do you have a favorite quote?
in the end, we will remember the silence of our friends.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I enjoy watching thrillers.
How do you stay organized with your schedule?
I use a digital calendar and to-do list.
Do you enjoy cooking or baking more?
I prefer baking.
What's your favorite board game?
I like playing Scrabble.
How do you like to celebrate your birthday?
I usually have a small gathering with friends.
Do you have any favorite podcasts?
I enjoy listening to true crime podcasts.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
I like going for a swim.
How do you handle disagreements in relationships?
I believe in open communication and compromise.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Family vacations at the beach.
Do you have a favorite TV show?
I'm currently hooked on a crime drama series.
How do you stay updated with current events?
I read the news online and listen to news podcasts.
Do you have a favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate mousse.
What's your preferred mode of transportation?
I usually commute by car.
How do you deal with setbacks?
I reflect on the situation and learn from it.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and camping.
What's your favorite childhood book?
Where the Wild Things Are is a classic favorite.
How do you stay creative?
I engage in activities like writing and drawing.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use a meditation app regularly.
How do you stay motivated to achieve your goals?
I break down big goals into smaller, achievable tasks.
Do you have a favorite workout song?
Anything with a good beat keeps me motivated.
What's your favorite thing about your job?
I enjoy solving challenging problems.
How do you handle time management?
I prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance.
Do you have a favorite museum?
The Louvre in Paris is one of my favorites.
How do you handle technology overload?
I take breaks and practice digital detox.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
Dark chocolate is my favorite.
How do you express gratitude in your life?
I make it a point to say thank you and appreciate others.
What's your favorite way to relax at home?
I like reading a good book with a cup of tea.
How do you deal with procrastination?
I break tasks into smaller steps to make them more manageable.
Do you have a favorite quote about life?
Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans.
What's your favorite type of exercise equipment?
I enjoy using resistance bands for workout.
How do you stay positive during challenging times?
I focus on the things I can control and practice gratitude.
Do you have a favorite type of cheese?
I like brie cheese.
What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day?
I enjoy staying indoors with a good book and a warm drink.